Are you looking for the perfect gift that everyone will love? Look no further than Uber gift cards. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Uber gift cards, exploring how they work, where to buy them, and all the fantastic ways you can use them. Join us as we uncover the endless possibilities of Uber gift cards and discover why they're the ultimate present for any occasion. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, saying thank you, or simply spreading joy to someone special, an Uber gift card is sure to delight. In this video, you'll learn the convenience of Uber gift cards. They're easy to purchase, redeem, and use for rides, Uber Eats orders, and more. Where to buy Uber gift cards. From retail stores to online platforms, we'll show you the various options for purchasing Uber gift cards. How to redeem Uber gift cards. We'll walk you through the simple steps to redeem your gift card and start enjoying the benefits right away. Creative ways to use Uber gift cards. From treating yourself to a night out to surprising a friend with a spontaneous adventure, the possibilities are endless with Uber gift cards. Plus, we'll share some heartwarming stories of people who have received Uber gift cards and how it has made a positive impact on their lives. Whether it's providing transportation for essential errands or enjoying a delicious meal delivered straight to their door, Uber gift cards have helped make everyday moments more convenient and enjoyable. So, if you're searching for the perfect gift that's sure to put a smile on someone's face, look no further than Uber gift cards. Join us in celebrating the joy of giving and discover why Uber gift cards are the ultimate way to share happiness with your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on gift ideas, lifestyle tips, and everything in between. Let's spread the joy of Uber gift cards together.